Inti Everspring is one of the pioneers of crop protection manufacturing industry in Indonesia. The company was established in 1990 as a part of Salim Agrochemicals Division, one of the major players in the agrochemical industry in Indonesia. Inti Everspring's main office is nestled in the heart of Jakarta, while the production plant is located in Merak, West Java. Today, the company's business encompasses various aspects of crop protection, from carbamate insecticides manufacturing to formulation of insecticide, fungicide, herbicide, and fertilizer. The company focuses on 6 core values: to put safety, health, and environment as priority concerns, to remain personal with the clients, to be responsible for producing crop protection products with FAO standards, to maintain the spirit of excellence with integrity as compulsory, nurture to encourage the growth of stakeholders, to conduct good corporate governance. As a research-based company, Inti Everspring strictly analyzes raw materials and finished goods in the laboratory. The company's equipment ranges from HPLC to GC. Inti Everspring has a retained samples policy up to 5 years. As its commitment to comply with the cross-contamination policy requirement, Inti Everspring has 2 separate premises. The first premise is the herbicide, and the second one is the insecticide and fungicide. The company's specialization is synthesizing carbamate-based insecticide active ingredients. Inti Everspring's portfolios are Oxamyl, Methomyl, Propoxur, Carbofuran, BPMC, MIPC, Methiocarb. Most of the products are GLP certified by OECD laboratories. With innovation and technology improvements, Inti Everspring manages to maintain product quality, improves production speed and safety. As a part of the service, Inti Everspring provides repacking for both liquid and powder agrochemical formulation, from bulk to small packing. Inti Everspring accommodates label design in accordance with the international standard and recommends the proper packaging for customers' products. Supported by its excellent human resources, Inti Everspring becomes the most integrated agrochemicals company in Indonesia, and the only generic agrochemical producer that can provide a one-stop solution. Inti Everspring is confident to give value-added service to your company. With our high-quality products that have been registered and distributed in Europe, America, Australia, Africa, and Asia. Around the world, especially in tropical areas, plantation loss due to nematodes has always been the main problem. In one region, nematodes generate losses of more than $3,000 per hectare annually. This parasite causes root damage, which hinders the water and nutrients distribution in plants. This leads to the deceleration of plant growth, fruiting delay, harvest weight decrease, and declines productive life of the farm. To fight insects and nematodes problems, Inti Everspring would like to introduce the most potent active ingredient, Oxamyl. And at this moment, Inti Everspring is the only generic manufacturer of Oxamyl globally. Oxamyl is the solution for above and below ground pests, including nematodes, leafhoppers, and potato beetles. Oxamyl is known for its nematostatic property by paralyzing nematodes during contact. On plant tissues, Oxamyl inhibits movement and reproduction of nematodes, which leads to its termination. Oxamyl is applicable in any kind of soil because of its incredible ability to adapt to any conditions. Oxamyl can be applied with 2 methods of application. Drench application, which is believed to be the most efficient and the safest method due to its practical waterless application, and the direct application from its container, makes close to zero exposure to both applicator and chances of virus transmission between trees. First of all, prepare the spot gun, then install the spot gun into the container. Apply 5 to 10 milliliters of Oxamyl 24% SL per tree by drawing an arc shape on the soil near the trunk. This soil drench method has been widely used in banana plantations such as Australia, Central America, and the Philippines. The absorbed Oxamyl immediately protects the root system from root knot nematodes. Oxamyl also works systematically throughout the plant system. As a result, Oxamyl helps to control damage from root knot nematodes. It helps to achieve maximum harvest yield by up to 5%. This has been proven in the USA, Central America, Philippines, Australia, Japan, North Africa, South Africa, as well as in Europe and South America. Why not use a more simple and effective way to get a much more productive plantation? Inti Everspring can help you achieve it with our fully integrated products and services. Achieve the best results together with Inti Everspring.